Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the science behind something we use every day. The light bulb. Ever wondered how that flick of a switch makes a room bright? Let's crack open a bulb and see what's going on inside. A light bulb seems simple, but there are some key parts that work together. First, we have this glass bulb itself. It's important because it keeps the inside in a special environment. Now the magic happens here. Look closely. This thin, zigzag-shaped wire is called the filament. It's usually made from a material called tungsten, which can withstand very high temperatures. Imagine tiny particles called electrons flowing through a wire like water in a pipe. When we turn on the switch, electricity creates a current, pushing these electrons to travel through the circuit. When they reach the filament, something special happens. The filament is very thin, so it offers a lot of resistance to the flow of electricity. This resistance creates friction, kind of like rubbing your hands together. All that friction creates heat, and the filament gets very hot enough to glow. But how does heat become light? When the filament gets this hot, its atoms get energized. They move around much faster and vibrate more intensely. As they calm down, they release this extra energy in the form of tiny packets of light called photons. That's the light we see. This is the basic idea behind incandescent bulbs, the most common type. But there are other kinds of bulbs like fluorescents and LEDs that use different methods to create light. They all involve exciting atoms in some way, though. So next time you flick on a light switch, remember the tiny battle happening inside the bulb. Electricity heats the filament, which in turn releases light energy as photons. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the science of light bulbs. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more science adventures.